Inserting a division symbol in Microsoft Word is one of those things that feels like it should be more obvious than it is, depending on how often you need it. There are several ways to get it done, ranging from quick shortcuts to formal math tools. However, the quickest way is to the Alt code. If you have a keyboard with a numeric keypad, this is the fastest method. So turn on the numlock, hold down the Alt key and type 0247 on the numeric keypad and release the Alt key. And this is the division symbol will be appeared. There is another method which is the Pro shortcut Unicode method. If you don't have a numeric keypad, you can use the Unicode toggle. So for this you need to type 00F7 and press Alt+X Alt together. So the word will instantly convert that code into the division symbol. So another way is the equation editor, which is the best for the math papers. If you are writing a formal math problem, it is better to use equation tool so the formatting stays crisp. So for this you need to press Alt plus equal sign, then equation editor box will be open up. And now type backslash and type div and hit the space bar. Words Math AutoCorrect will transform the command into the symbol. Another way is that go to the insert, click on the symbols, click on the symbols, more symbols. So in the corrector code box, you need to type 00F7 and hit enter. Your cursor will be routed to the division symbol. You just need to select it, click on insert and close it, and here it is. So there is another method which is the AutoCorrect method, the permanent fix solution. If you use this symbol constantly, you can tell Word to create it whenever you type something like backslash div div or for whatever you like it. So for this you need to copy the division symbol and then click on the file, go to the option and click on the proofing autocorrect option and replace in the box you need to type, for example, backslash div, and in the with box you need to paste the division symbol, click add and OK and OK, and now type div, hit enter, it will be converted to the division symbol. So with these methods you can easily insert division symbols in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.